So listen, I get it. A lot of you are struggling to trade on the US 30. You guys are putting money in, getting wiped out. You're struggling, I get it. A lot of you have been watching me over the years and you guys are skeptical because you've never seen someone be able to tear down the US 30 or any part of the market as I've done. I totally get it. But listen, how long are you gonna be struggling in the market? You know, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue giving you guys, just like this video, I'm gonna give you guys another full detail, full breakdown of my trades that I've given, of a signal that I've given my students inside of our US 30 Telegram, so that you guys to see the real deal, all right? Stop wasting your time, I'm telling you. Check this out. Okay, so let's notice this column here. Notice 3-7. All these trades were 3-7, okay? All these trades are open today and closed today, okay? All within 30 minutes of each other. Notice the profit column, okay? Notice everything was in the money, but the one at the very bottom. On my next video, I'm gonna talk about that one, okay? So let's get into this. Let's get into this. The top trades, notice the big trades, okay? Those trades, 1656, okay? That's where I got in, 1656. Now, matter of fact, let me do this first so you guys can see, okay? So let's do this, 1656, okay? Now, let's find 1656, okay? Grab my crosshair, and let's find 1656. That should be this big candle, 1655, okay? Just show you, 1656. That was that candle, the big candle right here. So I got in, and the market came down to here, and notice I got out. I saw it coming down to my zone, and I said it's time to bounce. And that entry, that was 537. Now, where did I get out at? I got out at like 5, so it was moving pretty fast. So I got out, I wound up getting out at like 580, 570, you know, in that area. So that's where I got out at. I made a good amount. I got out. I wasn't playing around. Okay? So this is full clarity. Now my students, some of them were able to ride the market all the way down because this was an area, like I told you in my last video, this was an area of concentration in our all-day training yesterday. As I told you, this was the area of concentration in our all-day training. So they were already hip to what the market could do. All right, so that was you're talking about 300 plus point move. Now, some of them, based on the overall we have going on here, I'll teach you that once you guys get connected. Some of them, if they wanted to stay in longer, they could have stayed in longer. And notice the market is still pushing. You're talking 500 points. And I gave this to them today. All right? I gave this to them today. So this is fantastic. 500 points here. I did tell them about this one, but this one was of a different, actually no. Yeah, I did tell them about this one as well. I didn't say anything about this one, although it was back at the zone and like they should have known about this one, but it went up one candle, that was it. But I told them about this one as well. So this one was, you're talking about another 300 some points to the upside, which was good. Okay, but I just wanted to point out this one. This is the one that I actually took. I carried it down to here, and then when it started backing up, I got out. But the market continued to go, and you're already talking about, like I said, you're talking about the entire move over 500 points. All right. So listen, if you're struggling with this, get connected so I can get you plugged in to our Telegram so you can get the same signals that I'm giving my students. All right. So now that you've seen exactly what it is that I've given my students today, and my students can vouch for this, what are you gonna do? Continue losing or continue watching on the side and just wondering and hoping? Like, get involved already. Take advantage of our 2-in-1 promotion where you're getting both the US 30 and the Nasdaq for the price of one. Take advantage of it before it's all over because this promotion will not last forever, all right? So I just want to let you guys know this. You know, do not waste any more time, all right? In the world that we live in today, you want to make sure that you have financial stability and be able to tap into a resource that's plentiful. why not trading on the US 30? All right. So listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and as always, remember to remain and stay prayed in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Peace and blessings, everyone.